And Sam, they're easy to change the filter, these ones.
The filters are dead easy, yeah. It's just these, and obviously a little bit more difficult on the back.
And what about these ones?
They shouldn't need replacing, so they're degassing.
Okay,
So unless you're starting to get a lot of air in, they shouldn't need replacing very often. I've never had to change one.
you never change.
So yeah, they're very, very rare that they fail.
And then I will change the filter. I think it's 7 months are passed, near about.
Okay, okay. Well, let's see how we get on today. I've got some with me. We can change some if you want. If we change the white heads, they come with new filters anyway. But then you've got, there's two sets of filters. There's the filters at the back as well.
Okay. And we can clean the filters or not? Like a vacuum cleaner one, we clean it and no, not like that.
No, no.
We have to change it.
There are people that do strip them down and wash them and clean them.
This is not a good idea.
But no, you're better off just replacing them.
Because I'll make a video and keep in mind the next time.
Yes, yeah, no problem.
The Steve video, very, very helpful.
You just got to be careful of obviously any drips or anything.
Okay.
So that was flushing, and then go on to the priming.
You use these ones, two of them, fleshing one.
Yeah.
Yeah, about.
Yeah, 2 or 3. And then obviously your priming is a thicker solution.
If you put like a pressure like this one, a syringe pressure, the syringe, I think this is the best pressure.
Yeah, yeah, you can obviously
You feel this is a human being.
Yeah, yeah, and the bigger the syringe, the more pressure you can get through. But to be honest,
this is not good.
With these, it just needs to be a small amount of pressure, not too much.
I think this machine have some of the advantage and disadvantage. Like a small machine, 5,000 and this 5,000 and 10K one.
Yeah.
They have very good print.
Yep.
But the speed is low.
The speed is slow, exactly.
And this one, the speed is okay.
Yeah.
But the print has compared to it's not good.
Right. Okay. Okay. Well, let's see if we can improve that today. Let's see if we can get it back to where it should be.